Hurry up.
If you don't give me the
Trust
money,
me.
no. I need the money. You want me to do it? Y'all want me to do it?
You're wasting my time.
Dude, come on.
Y'all want me to
Do
Give me
it.
the money.
Emilio.
I trust you, sis.
Emilio.
I put that on my mom that I'm gonna do it if you give me the money.
I'm gonna give the money to you. I just want to like record it like you eating it.
No, come on, do it.
Money.
No.
Emilio, come
I put it on my
on.
mom. I'm gonna do it. It's
I'm
my
gonna give the
mom.
money. I swear.
Nah, let me see it.
Just give it to him.
I gotta take the onions off. Hold on.
He's not gonna eat it.
Emilio.
She's not.
Yes, I am. Ah,
Do it. You said it on your mom. You said your mom. You said your mom. You have to do it.
What's it taste like?
Onion.
Whatever.
You got some bones.